In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Huntington Bank username or password. Whether you've forgotten your credentials or just want to update them for security reasons, we've got you covered with a simple and straightforward guide that will walk you through the process online using a web browser. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Huntington Bank login page. Once you're there, you'll notice two helpful options right beneath the login fields. If you need to reset your username, click on Forgot Username. Alternatively, if you need to reset your password, you'll want to click on Forgot Password. Now, depending on your choice, you'll be prompted to enter some essential information. Let's break it down. If you clicked on Forgot Username, you'll be asked to confirm details like your email address or perhaps some specific account information. This helps the system identify your account securely. On the other hand, if you're resetting your password, you'll need to provide a few more details. Specifically, you should enter your username, social security number, and one of your account numbers. This step is incredibly important as it ensures the safety and privacy of your account. Once you've supplied the necessary information, it's time to choose how you would like to receive your verification code. Huntington Bank offers a few convenient options. You can receive it via SMS, email, or even through a phone call. Make your selection based on what's most accessible for you at the moment. Keep an eye out for the verification code, which should arrive shortly through your chosen communication method. Once you have received it, enter the code in the designated field on the website to confirm your identity. This identification step is crucial to ensuring that you are indeed the person making the changes to your account. Now that your identity is confirmed, you can proceed to create your new username or password. If you're updating your username, make sure it's something unique yet memorable for you. For a password, consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. With your new credentials ready, you're all set to sign in to your Huntington Bank account. Simply input your freshly updated username and password in the login fields and hit that sign in button. And there you have it, a successfully reset username or password, allowing you to continue managing your finances smoothly and securely. Remember, keeping your login information up to date and secure is vital in today's digital banking environment. Regularly updating your password in particular is a great habit to cultivate. Thanks for watching, and if this guide was helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more banking tips and tricks.